Hi guys, this is Sead. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. According to analysis conducted by NATO, if there is no change in Russian leadership, a war between the alliance and Russia is more than possible within the next 5 years. Tensions have been escalating steadily, with diplomatic efforts failing to alleviate the growing friction between the two powers. As the geopolitical landscape is becoming increasingly hot, analysts are examining the potential triggers and pathways that could lead to full-scale conflict. But how would such a war start? We have the projections and scenarios laid out.
The Telegraph has published a new scenario of a potential war between Russia and NATO. Putin mobilizes 200,000 soldiers in Russia and goes on a new offensive in Ukraine in spring 2024. Russian Federation provokes protests of Russian-speaking people in the Baltics and conducts cyber attacks against these countries in the summer. Protests are used as a pretext for military exercises in Belarus and the deployment of troops in Kaliningrad in the fall. Clashes begin in the Suwalka corridor area in winter. At this stage, Russia and the West will have a choice: to negotiate or to wage war. Nothing new in Russia. Large fire in Vladivostok. Vehicle belonging to the state prison system set on fire in St. Petersburg. What is air defense doing? Footage of a pair of Ukrainian Storm Shadow Scalp cruise missiles passing directly over a Russian S-400 battery in western Crimea as they head towards Belbek airfield on January 31st. Interesting. Now, unmanned systems are a separate type of military force in Ukraine, as per Zelensky's decree. In order to increase the capabilities of the armed forces of Ukraine regarding the use of unmanned and robotic air, sea, and land systems, ensuring readiness for the use of such systems as intended, I decree. The Cabinet of Ministers of Ukraine, with the involvement of the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, to work out the issue of creating unmanned systems forces as a separate type of force in the structure of the armed forces of Ukraine, and, based on the results of the study, make relevant proposals for consideration by the National Security and Defense Council of Ukraine. Ukraine will have the first drone branch of the military in the world. Information appeared online that a hacker group, Prana Network, has hacked the servers of Sahara Thunder, the manufacturer of Shahed drones, and posted a large amount of documents, both technical and related to their supply to Russia. As of now, the leaked documents reveal that now in 2022, a $1.75 billion contract was signed for 6,000 Shaheds, plus hardware plus software. Russia paid in literal gold. It shipped a little over 2 tons in bullion. The purchase cost of the Shaheds from Iran is about $193,000 per unit when ordering 6,000 units. About $290,000 per unit when ordering 2,000 units. If production is localized in Russia, its cost for the Russian Defense Ministry should drop to $165,500. The production cost of the Shahed would be $48,800. The starting price announced by the Iranian leadership was $375,000 per unit. And some hardcore battle footage. The Ukrainian military, Azov Brigade, clear the positions of the Russians in the Cerebrian forestry.
Кидай, кидай, подожди. Шулер, держи, держи. Держи вход, держи вход. Вход, держи. Есть.
Плюс.
Граната летит.
Дальше по плану.
Кидаю. Есть! Стреляй! Есть, держу. Заходим, чувак. Пойдем. Я сзади.
When pro-Russian puppets tell you that Ukraine is escalating by striking Russian territory or territory occupied by Russia, Crimea is Ukraine, show them these shots. I would like to remind you how Russian military is using the Crimean Bridge. Supply of weapons and military equipment so that they can then kill Ukrainians and bomb Ukrainian cities.
Ёкарный бабай, вот это красавцы, а! Видно, что не новое, блядь, с этого, с расконсервацией, но, блин. Да уж, красиво, блядь.
Healthy men leave prisons, impregnate women. Vladimir Kursky, who was jailed for murder, called on Russians. Our President Putin said we need to increase our geography so that the Russian population becomes bigger. He added,
Вы должны понять, у Филиппа Киркорова здесь очень большая банда геев, которые вокруг него сплотились. Бабам нашим русским рожать не от кого. Вы, арестанты, здесь сидите тысячами, выходите, бабам надо рожать. Как президент сказал, надо увеличивать нашу географию. Надо рожать. Вы, здоровые мужики, сидите в тюрьмах. Выходите, обрюхативайте баб, чтобы рожали, и русское население становилось все больше и больше, понимаете?
Thank you guys for watching this video. We certainly hope that war between NATO and Russia never comes. And we are working towards that goal, and the goal is to move Putin from power in Russia. Stay with Warthog Defense, comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.